You're on.
This is my home. Welcome. This is my living room. Look, you're on TV. living room.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming. This is my favorite, my coat rack. It's my favorite piece of furniture I have. We just got it. This is my table. And now you're in the dining room. My fishies. I've got my table. I've got my... Come into my bathroom and there's a cool cubby hole. That's one out of the other two bathrooms you'll see. Come on into my kitchen with my island. What? And my refrigerator. What? And my own washer and dryer. And I have a garage too.
With all kinds. Well, it's very dark in the garage.
There's no cars.
No cars in the garage, but 2-car garage.
Ooh, I bought a car too, Carolyn. I bought a Murano.
Which is in the picture that we just sent you.
And let's go to the backyard.
Ooh, and authentic lime from her lime trees?
Yes. They have lime trees. Come on out. That's my table, and this is the pool that Chris went swimming in last night because he's crazy. This is my hot tub. Watch. It's therapeutic. You gotta come over. All right, let's go upstairs. We have to continually keep this going for a tour.
Well, we don't have to. We could send it in parts, but it's more fun this way.
These are my stairs. Stairs, stairs, stairs. Another flight. Living the real life. This is Sean, who got a little scared because he thought someone was here. Say hi to Carolyn. We're doing a video tour. This is our TV watching room. And then this is our office/bedroom. Carolyn, you're a girl. Every room has a walk-in closet. Every room. I'll show you in other rooms. But here's this room. Then we go to our second bathroom of the trip. Second bathroom of the trip. Then we go into what Dana's calls her room, or what's Chris's room right now. He didn't make his bed, so. And then every room has a walk-in closet like this.
Oh, I'm never going to get back. I'm walking so far.
Even the family room. And now the best room.
Wait, Drag Me to Hell picture. Tell me this isn't the woman from Drag Me to Hell.
This is my room. I got a new mattress. This is my free TV. Chris will tell you all about it. Free. And then my wonderful bathroom. 2 sinks, his and hers. My garden tub.
With condom on the...
It is not a condom, Carolyn. And my orchid and my shower. And then that's our stall for our toilet. And then, my closet. It's huge. Layers and layers. And that's the house. Love you.
Mwah!